Installing the propeller guard. The propeller guards are marked with L and R to distinguish between left and right. L stands for left and R for right. Unlock all 4 buckles of the propeller guards before installation. Unfold the aircraft arms and hold the aircraft with the rear facing you. Install the right side propeller guard first. Rotate the propeller blades to the direction of the arms. Pick up the right propeller guard with the R mark facing up. First, insert the landing gear of the front arm into the notch, and then snap the front arm into position. Adjust the rear arm and snap it in position as well. Rotate the propeller blades away. And lock the buckles by pressing the buckles firmly until you hear a click. Install the left propeller guard in the same way. After installing the propeller guard, hover the aircraft after takeoff until DJI Fly prompts that the propeller guard has been detected.